Okay, so the next startup for you, I'm going to bring to the stage the CEO of RumbleBox, James.
Okay. Does everyone remember how bad it was watching sports during COVID with no fans in the arenas, no atmosphere? It was terrible. Now, most fans don't know it, but they are the product. Yet fans typically own 0% of the products they contribute to. Research commissioned by Power to Change has shown that 71% of sports fans want greater opportunity to own their sports. Something needs to change. Now, the ownership economy, often referred to as Web3, is flipping the business model on its head for sports and entertainment, where products and services are turning their users into owners. At RumbleBox, we are proud to offer the fans this opportunity. Fan-owned sports leagues, esports, influencer boxing, MMA, adventure racing, pickleball. We're going to offer a wide range of emerging sports franchises to Gen Z so that they can own them. And when you give fans ownership, guess what? They're highly committed to help. They'll help fund the league. They'll help design the league. They'll even help promote the league, make events trend on social media. This is a recipe for success. Let's take a look at an example. FaZe Jarvis is a YouTube boxer. He's got 5 million YouTube followers. Now, if he wanted to start his own YouTube boxing league, like many social media stars are doing at the moment, he could offer a franchise pass NFT on the RumbleBox platform. Now, in return for funding the league, the fans would receive organization owner benefits, tickets, VIP access, rewards tied in with the league's success. If the events were profitable, fans would be rewarded. They'd even get to vote on sports governance, such as who fights who, or where the events should be. This adds a ton of value versus just buying a ticket. So what's the market size? The global sports market is a whopping $502 billion. Esports, influencer boxing, $1.4 billion, 240 million. Now, these are super popular with Gen Z. As Gen Z grow older over the next decade, these sports are going to grow rapidly and take a much bigger portion of the global sports pie. Sports NFTs are already big business, $2.6 billion in 2022. By 2027, they're going to grow to $12.2 billion. We've got platforms like Amazon and Reddit integrating NFTs within their platforms. This is going to increase user adoption, improve UX, and fuel growth. So what does the market look like? There are a number of unicorns in the space for sports NFT platforms. Socios, Dapper Labs, SoRare have generated billions of dollars in this space, mostly in digital collectibles. However, the market is moving towards real-world utility for your NFTs. How can I use it in the real world? Well, what better real-world utility than to own the league itself? Tickets, VIP access, rewards if the events are highly successful and profitable. Now, with this trend, we're seeing athlete investment NFT platforms popping up on the landscape. However, nobody is doing this for sports leagues or events. This is the space we want to operate in. My background, I've got 10 years digital marketing experience, 6 years leading my Google ad tech company. We built machine learning bidding algorithms for the flights industry on Google Ads. I launched a product at Google in 2018. I'm an Innovate UK winner. We did a market research study to design the combat sports metaverse and research sports NFTs. It's here I came up with the idea for RumbleBox. I'm really passionate about sports and NFTs, and I've got strong connections within the space. Promoter of heavyweight champion Tyson Fury has been helping with the market research for this project. Our CTO has worked as a blockchain engineer at the Sandbox and led teams at Palantir. And our advisor, Tony Pierce, has one of Europe's fastest growing blockchain companies, and he manages NFT launches for FIFA. Now, these guys are super excited about RumbleBox, and we see a bright future for sports NFTs. We've done extensive market research on this project with Innovate UK and also the Block Dojo incubator. Year one, we want to launch 6 sports franchises. By year 3, 33 sports franchises, and by year 5, we want to be partnering with some of the world's largest sports leagues, 133 sports franchises. So the ask, £250,000. In April, our MVP will be ready for our NFT marketplace, and we want to launch 6 sports franchises in year 1 in emerging sports sectors, esports, influencer boxing, and MMA. And we've got some strong partners ready to launch this summer. I'm going to leave you with one final point. There may be some investors in the room with their investor checks ready. If you had your £10,000 investor check ready and you invested in the UFC in 2001, today that investment would be worth £50 million. That's a 5,000x return. It just shows the business opportunity from investing in sports leagues early. This is the type of opportunity we want to offer to our customers, and this is the type of opportunity we want to offer to you. Thank you.